Oh, hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The goal of my channel is to help you to make home cooking to become part of your daily routine using my fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. My cooking system is designed to be practical, efficient, creative, and fun. So you not only enjoy the food that you're going to cook for yourself, but you will also enjoy the cooking process, so that it will make home cooking a viable alternative to fast and processed food. And this is the only way I believe that we can make home cooking sustainable in the 21st century. Using the fast cooking system, you can cook a meal from scratch using all fresh ingredients in less than 30 minutes. Because of its convenience, you can easily choose home cooking over fast and processed food. The fast cooking system is designed to promote healthy eating, particularly to increase your consumption of vegetables. The fast cooking system is not a diet, rather it is a lifestyle that is designed to make home cooking as part of the daily routine. A lifestyle that is emphasized on the consumption of fresh ingredients over processed food. And by eating home-cooked meal, it will greatly reduce calorie consumption in comparison than when you are eating out. Over the past several decades, home cooking has been slowly replaced by fast and processed food. The main reason is that fast and processed food is far more convenient than home cooking. With its high sugar, salt, and fat, fast and processed food create a flavor that is enjoyed by most Americans. Many surveys over the past several years, Americans are found to still enjoy home cooking, but there are fewer and fewer of them cook regularly. The primary reason is that most Americans find that they do not have time to cook, particularly in the cooking that has been done in a traditional ways. And many of them do not like the food that they cook, particularly when they compare them with fast and processed food or food that they find in restaurants. Today, the so-called ultra-processed foods, they are available 24/7, and the price continue to decline. Therefore, it is reasonable when it comes to food, they are the first options. And that explains why home cooking continue to decline. Fast and processed food has many attractive aspects. They are low cost, and they are available around the clock. They have almost indefinite shelf life, and they have high quality control. If not for the negative impact on health, they are definitely is the invention of modern industrial marvel. The primary problem of fast and processed food is that they are high in calories, but they are low in nutrients. They also contain high level of chemical preservative that has negative impact on our health. Fast and processed food use a great number of different artificial flavoring agents. It will give us the flavor of natural food ingredients, but it will not have its nutritional value. Today, the standard American diet is high in the consumption of fast and processed food. And the most obvious consequences of this consumption is the rise in obesity. For example, the rate of obesity in the 1950s in America is about 10%. And in 2020, the rate is approaching 40%. And by 2030, 50% of Americans will be considered to be obese. Obesity has a negative impact on the quality of life, but at the same time, obesity leads to chronic disorders that causes untold sufferings in the form of diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, kidney disease, and cancer. Because of the fast and processed food, Americans eat very little vegetables. In fact, according to CDC and FDA, less than 10% Americans eat the basic minimum recommended requirement for vegetables. Many studies have shown that in order to eat a healthy diet with plenty of vegetables, home cooking is essential. And the general public understand the importance of not to consume an excessive amount of fast and processed food, but to eat more vegetables. This message is provided by the doctor's office, provided in school, and provided in the community. Collectively, this is known as a plant-based high-fiber diet. This message is given to everybody at all age level and all income level. But the problem, as my friend Janet told me, that is that how do I eat such a diet? She told me that having this information is very important, but however, finding a way to apply this information is even more important. She said that there are many diets, many cooking classes, many cookbooks, many nutritional advice out there, but none of them is suitable for my lifestyle. I don't have the time to cook, and whatever I cook, the flavor is not what I enjoy. She said that she had tried many of such diets in the past, and eventually she gave up on all of them because either they don't taste good or they just simply do not fit her lifestyle. She told me that she understands the importance of home cooking, but none of them worked for her until she found my fast cooking system. Janet now cooks every evening because the fast cooking system is designed to fit her lifestyle. She spends less than 30 minutes in the kitchen to cook from scratch using all fresh ingredients. Janet really enjoys the practicality, the efficiency, and creativity of her home cooking. And more importantly, she finds it is a lot of fun. Every evening, her cooking gives her a sense of accomplishment, and she could not wait to get back into the kitchen the next day. However, more importantly, Janet loved the flavor of the food that she cooked. Because with the fast cooking system, Janet is able to continue to improve the flavor, and now she considers herself the very best cook, at least for her. Because she knows what she likes, and she is able to cook her food exactly to her personal preference. Janet contacted me after she learned about the fast cooking system. Through online cooking classes, we work together one-on-one. Based on Janet's personal situation as well as her past cooking experiences, I was able to tailor a class specifically for her. And now Janet has fully mastered the 4 attributes of the fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking to fully realize the potential of home cooking. Janet told me that the fast cooking system not only has affected her health by changing the way in selecting the kind of food that she cook and eat, it had also changed her lifestyle, her social interactions with other people. She said home cooking not only has affected her physiological and psychological wellness, but it also helped her to become more aware of the impact of food on the environment. If you would like to learn more and to adopt my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in obtaining direct help from me, as I have provided for Janet, please contact me using this email address. As Janet told me that the fast cooking system has changed her life, and I believe that it will do the same for you. So okay, keep on cooking. I will see you next time.